Hey, what's up everyone? My name's Michelle and today's video I'm going to go over Ethereum. Ethereum right now is trading at $1,278. 24-hour volume, we're up 20.67% and market cap, we're down 2.50%. Heading over to our chart, I'm going to go over our weekly chart, daily, and 2 hours. But taking a look on our weekly chart, it is not looking too good here as the candlestick formation, but mostly the body itself is at the very bottom. So we are getting a huge selling pressure is on for us. Now we don't really see the range, pushing exactly how we want the bulls to be. We need bulls to push the pressure a little bit higher, as I would ideally like to see this candlestick body coming up at least 50% of this body here. That's going to give me a little bit more of a sign or signal that the bulls are in place still and we are going to come up a retracement level. We still have today and tomorrow until the weekly close, but so far it's not looking too good here as the body is quite closer to the bottom here. So a few indicators here, we do see our RSI is at 1.52%, just mainly letting us know that we are considered as oversold. But until these two lines up here cross over, then we would be able to have a buying opportunity and see if there is any possible buying opportunities in a low time frame. As we can see with our MACD indicator that does measure momentum, we see these bars getting smaller as they're progressively going and volume is increasing on the bearish side. So until we can get more momentum, as it looks like we are coming down to a closing stop of this bull trend itself. Heading over to our daily time frame, I am going to be seeing or thinking price is going to come back down to our 78% over fib of 1263. Our RSI is showing that we are considered as oversold here at 8%. However, take a look back here at 8% and 9%, and the two lines are colliding together. As we can see, the line up here is further apart. We're not going to see that pullback sooner than we wanted to. So I'm anticipating price may drop down to the 1263 until we can see another pullback coming up and retesting areas of resistance. And again, with our momentum of our MACD indicator, we do see some lightness in the color in there. We only had a few days of our momentum turning into green as the price fell in an area where we needed to price to hold at our 50%. It initially dropped here again on our weekly time frame. We saw a lot of heavy selling pressure as we saw it in our daily time frame as well. Lastly, we're going to go over our 2-hour time frame. Now, if you take a look closely at the very top here, what do we see? We see that crossover. Whenever we see the white line below this pink line here, essentially it means that we are going to be selling, and it is heavy overbought signals as the RSI retraced to 91%, and we see this crossover at an area of support. You can see a few candles were supported around the 50% fib. It ultimately broke through it here. Now, as we can see, when we did break through this area of support, we also saw momentum grow as well. So as the momentum of this bear side grows, we are going to be breaking through key indicators of our fib chart. Notice already at 61% is normally our gold number where prices find a nice retracement and bounce back to hit another area of support, but it doesn't look like we're going to hold here. Now we're going to be carrying over this area of support from what we've seen in the past here on September 26th, 27th and 28th here of 1254 all the way to 1273. Now you can see again, price is attracted to this area of support. If we're not going to hold the 61% because we are very high in the RSI already and it is going to come back down, we are anticipating again our next fib retracement at the 1252, depending on how strong the momentum is. When the momentum hits this area of our next fib chart and we do see the growth of these bars itself, it is showing us the momentum is very heavy and may actually break this line of support. That is my video for Ethereum, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed my insight, comment down below, and I'll see you next time.